Hi, I'm Dave from Riverside School, grade 10.
We had got a business challenge where we had to run a chai kitty for a day.
Gabbar ki tea, which I'm sipping.
So each year grade 10 has a business challenge wherein they get a challenge and they run a small firm for a day or two where they basically understand how to apply all the knowledge of business studies into the real world.
We commenced our journey by a Starbucks case study. The case study helped us to know the history of Starbucks, how it got into the market, and what were its business modules or strategies that helped us get so far and a major sector of the market.
What do you think, sir, might be the key components of a business plan?
And getting the organization structure into place. Not only this, but we're also going to be looking at many local firms and it'll help us compare the two.
एक चाय पत्ती कितने का होता है?
600 रुपया.
After understanding both the international and local business models, it was time for us to make our own business plan. This included our aim or objective of the business, the target audience, our unique selling point, along with all our financial calculations.
But we don't know what an investor will want from an investor's point of view.
Average price of tea is coming at 40 rupees. Then you write the variable percentage is 35%, profit margin is coming to 60%. They need to understand that.
The insights and feedback that the expert gave us has really helped us become more confident for the jury presentation. And finally, we will be pitching it to our dragons who are our investors. Now, if our business challenge is liked and approved by them, only then we will be given the finance to go ahead with it.
That variable pricing is one of our unique selling points where we've looked at it as the price of the product depends on the demand of it.
It is not the pricing that they want to keep low. A sandwich at a 70 rupees consumer will pay. At 25 rupees of 2 biscuits, they will not pay. This is Urban Adra.
After all the hard work and convincing, we are finally able to get all the money we required from our investors.
After all the pre-work, today was the final day, and it was for the first time that all of us were going to run an actual business.
Our theme was Harry Potter, so there was lots in our theme for the ambience. Execution was a little bit of a problem because the hustle bustle with so much crowd, it got us into so much making that we were unable to work too much on the ambience. And even apart from that, we faced other challenges like too many people came at once.
The first time they're conscious of where they're spending money. All the things that went into planning, executing, I think it's an amazing learning experience for children of this age.
Pretty insightful to see such young ones thinking business, thinking of how to innovatively sell at such a young age. In our times, this was not done.
For Gabbar Ki Chai, they were the only group which did not change their prices from the beginning to end. So that was a good strategy used by them.
Through this business challenge, we have learned and reinforced our understanding in various concepts, including that of fixed cost, variable cost, market research, and how to conduct extensive market research. Moreover, what was truly important was understanding how a business runs in real life.
Being part of a team means that we need to work together and respect each other's ideas and help elevate each other. Also, we need to work well with other teams and not put anyone down in the process.